In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure the device by using the built-in LCD display unit. This includes setting the battery capacity, adjusting the output voltage, selecting the charging mode, and performing various operations, such as one-touch, DC and AC output shutdown. Please note that this video is for demonstration purposes only, and for detailed settings, please refer to the user manual. First, we can see 4 LED lights above the display screen: PV, load, grid, and run, representing the working status of the solar panel, load, grid power, and operation. Normally, all 4 LED lights will flash in green, indicating that the device is working properly. If any LED light displays red, it means that the device is experiencing a malfunction, and you can troubleshoot based on these 4 status. Below the LED lights are the LCD main display screen and 5 buttons: Ask, Up, Down, Enter, and Output. We can use these buttons to perform operations. Currently, we see the default display state of the device during operation, which is the process diagram screen. From here, we can briefly understand the voltage and power of the solar panel, battery percentage, grid power voltage, and load power. This device provides 2 default working interfaces: ordinary user interface, administrator interface. To enter the ordinary user interface, simply press the Ask key. Now, we have entered the table data information screen of the ordinary user interface. Press Enter to sequentially enter the System Status screen, Data List screen, and User Settings screen. Since there are many configurable items in the ordinary user interface, we will set the battery capacity as an example to demonstrate the operation here. Other settings, such as LCD backlight time, platform communication method, and temperature display mode, can be configured in a similar approach. The ordinary user interface is quite different from the administrator interface, since the ordinary settings interface doesn't require administrator privilege to configure the device. It greatly provides convenience to users. Press Ask repeatedly to return to the process diagram screen. To enter the administrator interface, we need to long press the Enter key. This will take us to the password input screen. The device's default password is 0000. Now, we have entered the BMS real-time screen in the administrator interface. Press Enter to sequentially enter the BMS settings screen and setting parameter navigation screen. Here, we can perform load parameter settings, such as setting the output voltage and frequency. As well as charging mode settings. Password modification settings allow us to set the password for entering the administrator interface. We recommend setting these parameters upon receiving the product. Please note that the administrator mode is the highest control authority for the device, allowing access to all parameters. Therefore, It is essential to remember any modifications made to the device to prevent any potential issues with its functionality after parameter changes. Press Ask to return and exit the administrator interface. The Output button provides a quick one-button cutoff and opening of all DC and AC outputs. To cut off all DC power supply, simply press the Output button once. Then we can see that the DC output LED light on the right side goes off. It indicates that the DC power supply has been cut off. To re-engage the DC output, just press the button again. To cut off all AC power supply, long press the Output button. If you want to open it again, simply long press it again. These are the settings that can be performed on the device through the LCD screen and buttons. For more detailed information, please refer to the user manual.